Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Sri Academy online platform. Class 8 Social Science Geography Chapter 1 Resources. First of all, we will discuss the word meaning of this chapter. First word is resources. RESOURCES, resources. English meaning of this word is a supply of something, a piece of equipment, etc. that is available for somebody to use. Hindi meaning of this word is sadhan. Next word is constitute. CONSTITUTE, constitute. English meaning of this word is to be one of the part that from something. Hindi meaning of this word is गठित करना. Next word is utility. UTILITY, utility. English meaning a service provided for the public such as a water, gas or electricity supply. Hindi meaning is उपयोगिता. I repeat once again, उपयोगिता. Next word is ornament. ORNAMENT, ornament. English meaning is an object that is worn as jewelry. I repeat once again, an object that is worn as jewelry. Hindi meaning is gahne. I repeat once again, gahne. Next word is primitive. PRIMITIVE, primitive. English meaning is very small and not developed. I repeat once again, very small and not developed. Hindi meaning is prachin. I repeat once again, prachin. Next word is sustained. SUSTAINED, sustained. English meaning is to keep somebody, something alive or healthy. I repeat once again, to keep something, somebody, something alive or healthy. Hindi meaning is nirantar. I repeat once again, nirantar. Next word is commodities. COMMODITIES, commodities. English meaning of this word is a product or material that can be bought and sold. I repeat once again, a product or material that can be bought and sold. Hindi meaning of this word is vastu. I repeat once again, vastu. Next word is modification. MODIFICATION, modification. English meaning of this word is a change to something, usually to improve it. I repeat once again, a change to something, usually to improve it. Hindi meaning of this word is parivartan. I repeat once again, parivartan. Next word is survival. SURVIVAL, survival. English meaning is to be alive. I repeat once again, to be alive. Hindi meaning of this word is जीवित रहना. I repeat once again, जीवित रहना. Next word is exploited. EXPLOITED, exploited. English meaning of this word is to use something or to do or to treat somebody unfairly for your own advantage. I repeat once again, to use something or to treat somebody unfairly for your own advantage. Hindi meaning of this word is शोषण. I repeat once again, शोषण. Next word is replenished. REPLENISHED, replenished. English meaning is to replace what has been used up and make something full again. I repeat once again, to replace what has been used up and make something full again. Hindi meaning of this word is mangaya. I repeat once again, mangaya. Next word is exhausted. EXHAUSTED, exhausted. English meaning is empty. I repeat once again, empty. Hindi meaning is खत्म हो जाना. I repeat once again, खत्म हो जाना. Sorry, I used खत्म. In that there will be खत्म हो जाना. Next word is endanger. ENDANGER, endanger. English meaning is to cause danger to somebody, something. I repeat once again, to cause danger to something or somebody. Hindi meaning is खतरे में. I repeat once again, खतरे में. Next word is ubiquitous. ubiquitous. There will be a mistake in this word. There will be ubiquitous. Ubiquitous. English meaning of this word is seeming to be everywhere or in several places at same time. I repeat once again, seeming to be everywhere or in several places at the same time. Hindi meaning of this word is deshvyapi. I repeat once again, deshvyapi. Next word is localized. LOCALISED. Localized. English meaning of this word is to limit something to a particular place or area. I repeat once again, to limit something to a particular place or area. Hindi meaning of this word is asthaniya. I repeat once again, asthaniya. Next word is legal value. LEGAL, legal. VALUE, value, legal value. English meaning of this word is the basic for legal action. I repeat once again, the basis of for legal action. Hindi meaning of this word is कानूनी मूल्य. I repeat once again, कानूनी मूल्य. Next word is aesthetic value. AESTHETIC, aesthetic value. VALUE, value. English meaning of this word is concerned with beauty or art. I repeat once again, concerned with beauty or art. Hindi meaning of this word is सौंदर्य मूल्य. I repeat once again, सौंदर्य मूल्य. Next word is ethical value. ETHICAL, ethical value. VALUE, value, ethical value. English meaning of this word is the degree of importance of something. I repeat once again, the degree of importance of something. Hindi meaning of this word is नैतिक मूल्य. I repeat once again, नैतिक मूल्य. Next word is sustainable. SUSTAINABLE, sustainable. English meaning of this word is involving the use of natural product and energy in a way that do not harm the environment. I repeat once again, involving the use of natural product and energy in a way that does not harm the environment. Hindi meaning of this word is satat. I repeat once again, satat. Next word is vitality. VITALITY, vitality. Vitality. English meaning of this word is the state of being full of energy. I repeat once again, the state of being full of energy. Hindi meaning of this word is pran. I repeat once again, pran. So students, I hope you will understand the word meaning of this chapter. Thank you for watching.